I'm Katy Pursglove and I am at Lewes studying the extended diploma in musical theatre and dance. At the moment we're doing musical theatre with dance on the side, and we study loads of different practitioners. We do different styles of dance, we do singing, acting, all of it combined, which is really fun. I found out about the course from my friend who's a couple of years older than me, and she went to Lewes, but she did dance, not musical theatre, and she was raving about it, so I thought I'd check it out. And then I came to a workshop and the audition and I really loved it, so I was like, why not? I went to Helenswood Academy, which is in Hastings, and obviously Hastings is quite far from Lewes, so I drive an hour up every day, but it's fine because I love it and I love the atmosphere and the teachers and everyone. So my tutor is Louise Flood, who teaches my musical theatre class, and yeah, we've just really got a really close bond. She has a really close bond with every student, which is nice because we can just open up to her about anything, and obviously with auditions and going on after college we can just talk to her about anything. So. Our teachers are really helpful with, like, they know a lot about the industry and the steps after college, so they gave us a whole pack of drama schools and what the audition's going to be like, what they're sort of like, so we can choose for us, like, individually how we would fit in there. We have 3 buildings at Lewes. One's called Southover, one's called Cliff, and one is the Performing Arts building. So we have our whole Performing Arts building, which is dedicated to us, and we have loads of practice rooms, and a massive lounge where we just hang out. And then in Cliff we have a studio which we do all of our performances there. We sometimes do rehearsals, and then in Southover we have another room which has a stage and a mirror, and it's really nice. I've been having auditions this year, and I've got into 2 drama schools, Bird and Italia Conti. So I think I'm going to go to Bird College, which is in Sidcup, which is really exciting, and I'm really looking forward to it. After drama school, the dream is to be on the West End or doing something with a musical theatre where I can perform and be an entertainment to others. So that's what I love.